Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Kingsley here. On this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your DVlottery photo that is not meeting up with the dimension to make it up to the required dimension by the DVlottery program itself. So let's go to the website. Here is the website where you can get your cropping tools. Here we go, click here. After clicking here, it will show you the main page where you can just click it and proceed with your photo as required. So here is an example. Of this example, I'm going to upload the photo that does not meet the required dimension as stated by the DVlottery program. Your photo must make at least 600 by 600 dimension. So on this photo, it's not meeting up as the requirement. Just watch out. I will make it such a way that it will meet up the requirement. Okay, let's move on to the dimension. You see, the dimension here is less than 600 megapixels. Stay tuned, just watch out. Okay, here we go. So now I'm gonna show you the magic. So here I'm just writing edited, which means I'm not going to edit it. It's just a way to demonstrate to you that this is the way that I'm going to make it to meet up with the required dimension. So let me convert the photo. After converting this photo, I will just type here 800 and 700. Because initially the photo was around 500 something. So I need to make it up to the point that at least I can grab from the photo itself, I can get at least 600 megapixels. Okay, so right, let's check it now. As I mentioned, edited does not mean that I'm editing the photo. I'm just trying to demonstrate to you something. So let's check the property back again. Here, if you see here, now is 600, 700, 800 and 700. So the dimension has increased. So let's move on our cropping tool. Let's upload the photo once more. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna download the same photo now. I will check the same dimension. Now you will see everything now is from 500 to 600 by 600 and 300 by 300 to 24 depth, which actually made up with the exact dimension that is being issued by the DVlottery program. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I will place the description down below. Make sure you like, click, share and click on the notification button so that next time when I upload a video you can watch.